Hello everyone, this is Rizwana Rathod. I am working as a nursing lecturer in Knowledge Institute of Nursing. I had completed my MSc Nursing and Mental Health Nursing. Today we will learn about the mental health theme and nature and scope of mental health nursing. So first one, mental health theme. Multidisciplinary approach to provide service to mentally ill person. What do you mean by multidisciplinary? Multidisciplinary means they are come from different disciplines. So they are collaborated with each other. They are meeting with each other. So it includes psychiatrist, psychiatric nurse, clinical psychologist, psychiatric social worker, occupational therapist, activity therapist, a pharmacist, and a dietitian and counselor. So mental health team. First is a psychiatric. He have a degree of master of doctor of medicine in psychiatry. He is accountable for medical diagnosis and treatment. He is also doing admission and discharge of the mental ill people. Then psychopharmacology. Pharmacology means deals with the medicine, but psychopharmacology means psychiatric medicine, right? Then administrativity, that is electroconvulsive therapy, shock treatment. Then psychotherapy. Psychotherapy means group therapy, family therapy, behavior therapy, music therapy, color therapy, recreational therapy, occupational therapy. Then he is also participate in the team meetings and he have also a legal responsibility, right? Then psychiatric nurse, registered nurse with specialized training in mental health setting. So the doctor will prescribe the medicine, but the nurse will administer and monitor medication. Why we monitor the medication? Because it has a severe side effects, so we can monitor the medication. Assist in physical and psychiatric treatment, interdisciplinary team meeting, then health education, which is provided to the patient's family member and also the patients. Then patient's record, keeping the patient files, then keeping the patient's all records. Then advocate of the patient means protecting the rights of patient. Then relationship with the patient's family. Next, clinical psychologist. He or she has a master degree or doctorate degree in the human psychology. Accountable of psychological assessment and testing. There are different tests are available. Standardized tests are there. For example, depression test, mania rating scale test, depression back inventory. Then individual, family, and marital therapy. Clinical psychologists also do individual, family, and marital therapy. He also provide counseling to the patient. Then psychiatric social worker, he or she has a master or doctorate degree in the social work. So what he do? Family casework and community placement of patient. If the patient is recovered from mental illness, then he or she want to doing the job. So uh, he or she the social worker avail the job for the mentally ill person. Then group therapy sessions, social intervention at patient social environment like home like environment, right? Then an occupational therapist who is trainer, right? Accountable for recreational, occupational and activity program. He assists the patient in gaining skill that help them cope more effectively, retain employment and use leisure time. In occupational therapy, we teach the client about the work, right? So he or she can retain the employment and use their leisure time. Then counselor, provide basic supportive counseling and assist in psychoeducational and recreational activities. Then we will see the nature and scope of mental health nursing. Nature of mental health. It is a profession possessing its unique history, ideology, knowledge, and skill. It is a unique profession, right? It have unique history, ideology, knowledge, and skill. It is both art and science. Art means nurse-patient relationship, and science means purpose of gaining insight. What do you mean by insight? The capacity to gain an accurate understanding of someone or something, right? The capacity to gain an accurate and deep understanding of someone or something, then effective change, healing mental and emotional wound, and promoting growth. Understand the principle of nursing and remain current in knowledge and practice. The philosophy of psychiatric nursing practice. Every individual has intrinsic worth and dignity and is worthy of respect. Means every individual has a value, right? And he or she is worthy of respect. Each person function as a holistic and react to environment as a whole. Holistic means all the factors are included. That is emotional, physical, social, spiritual. All the factors are included. All behavior of an individual is meaningful. It can be understood from an internal frame of patient, right? All the behavior is meaningful. Behavior has perception, thoughts, feelings, and action. Individual vary in their coping capacities. Coping capacities mean they have different defense mechanism. All are prone for health and illness. The philosophy of psychiatric nursing practice continued. Nursing is aimed to promote wellness, maximize functioning, and enhance self-actualization. What do we mean by self-actualization? The realization or fulfillment of one's talents and potentiality. We can realize our talents and potentialities. IPR can produce change in the growth of an individual, means interpersonal relationship. Psychiatric nursing is based on the psychosocial and biophysical science. Then scope of mental health nursing. There are different nursing, that is generalist, nurse specialist, community mental health nurse, psychiatric home care nurse, forensic psychiatric nurse, psychiatric consultation liaison nurse, case manager, nurse researcher, psychiatric nurse educator, nurse administrator or manager, nurse psychopharmacologist, holistic nurse, psychiatric nurse, parish nurse, telehealth nurse or tele nurse, right? So first we will see the nurse generalist. What is the work of nurse generalist? A licensed nurse providing primary mental health care, means he or she is providing primary mental health care, right? So she can participate in holistic approach. Holistic approach means providing the treatment of whole person, taking into account the mental and social rather than just focus on the sign and symptom of the person. Treatment of whole person, right? Social and emotional and physical also. Then prevention programs, community and daycare centers, psychiatric rehabilitation facilities and homeless center, etc. Then nurse specialist. Psychiatric clinical nurse, that is CNS. We can call it as CNS. Have a master degree in mental health nursing. Autonomous functioning, prescription privileges. He or she have a right to prescribe the medicine, manages overall care of emotional and psychiatric problem, for example crisis intervention specialist, milieu specialist and psychotherapist, right? Then community mental health nurse, diagnosis, appropriate referrals, care and rehabilitation of mentally ill people in the community. He or she can diagnose, then make the referral to the district or hospital, then care and rehabilitation of mentally ill people. Then psychiatric home care nurse, direct patient care, behavioral management, crisis intervention, psychoeducation, detoxification and medication. Forensic psychiatric nurse, work with the individual who have entered the legal system, means law and order. Then psychiatric consultation liaison nurse, psychiatric nurse who work in non-psychiatric setting and provide necessary support, guidance and counseling for those affected with anxiety, depression and other psychological problems. What do you mean by PCL and psychiatric consultation liaison nurse? So he or she provide support, guidance and counseling for whom those are affected with anxiety, depression and having psychological problem. Then case manager. Nurse manager act as advocate by coordinating care and linking patient with physician and other member of the healthcare team. Works in community and helping in daily living of mentally ill persons, such as transportation, managing money and buying things. Nurse manager do not provide direct care to the patient, but he or she working as a gap between staff nurse and patient, right? So coordinating care and linking patient with physician and other member of the healthcare team, mean nurse, dietitian, counselor, etc. Then he or she manages transportation, manages money and buying things. Then nurse researcher. The nurse researcher doing research and also publishes the articles, right? The nurse researcher design, conduct and disseminate finding of research at professional meet and peer reviewed journal. He or she can uh, make the scientific paper presentation. They are doctorally or postdoctorally prepared person who initiate or participate in all phases of research process, right? Then psychiatric nurse educator. Uh, the body suggests that he or she can provide the health education to the patient and family member. Then nurse administrator or manager, right? He or she can manage all the things. Then nurse pharmacologist, the psychiatric clinical nurse specialist with prescriptive authority, right? So who is the nurse pharmacologist? So he or she have a prescription. He or she have right to give the prescription. Then holistic nurse, integrate complementary and alternative modalities such as relaxation and meditation. Then psychiatric nurse, the nurse who is taking care of the elderly patient who is having mental illness, right? Then parish nurse, a registered nurse with spiritual mature, like he or she provides spiritual services, support health, education, social services, and carry out non-invasive nursing care, common in the United States. Then telehealth or telenurse. Nurses engage in telenursing practice use technology such as internet, computer, telephones, and digital assessment tool and telemonitoring equipment to deliver nursing care in India. Around 10 hospitals are having telemedicine department. For example, Apollo Hospital and Narara Harudayala Hospital, right? So, nurses who use the internet, computers and telephone, digital assessment tool and telemonitoring equipment. And around 10 hospitals having the telemedicine department, that is Apollo Hospital and Narayana Harudayala Hospital. So, I hope you can understand. Thank you everyone.